Full self-driving is no longer beta.
Under your supervision, full self-driving, supervised, can drive your Tesla almost anywhere. It will make lane changes, select forks to follow your navigation route, navigate around other vehicles and objects, and make left and right turns. Although Tesla has moved away from the FSD beta wording and it's now officially called FSD, Supervised, always remember that this feature requires you to be constantly aware of your surroundings and to monitor the vehicle closely. While FSD will navigate, change lanes, and even take turns, it's imperative to stay attentive and cautious. The system is designed to assist, not replace, the driver. It does not make your vehicle autonomous. The full self-driving, supervised, upgrade represents a significant leap forward, transitioning the city streets driving stack to a single, end-to-end neural network. This evolution from explicit coding to neural-based learning aims to enhance your driving experience significantly. After years of promising full self-driving, Tesla finally appears to crack the elusive technology that would allow cars to drive autonomously. The FSD Beta V12, the first end-to-end AI variant, has been hyped as mind-blowing by Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. Not that this means anything, Musk has been saying the same thing for all the major FSD beta versions in recent years. However, as the FSD Beta V12 started rolling out to customer vehicles as version 12.3, it has been unanimously praised for its human-like performance. As videos and reviews were shared on social media, it became clear that Tesla was finally onto something with its self-driving software. Perhaps not close to the robotaxi level, but firmly on the path to achieve autonomous driving rather soon. Indeed, those who tried the new software build reported hours of autonomous driving without human intervention or disengagements. If the FSD Beta can control the car in various scenarios for hours without making mistakes, isn't it ready to perform without human supervision? FSD Beta version 12.3, as revealed by many enthusiastic reviews, is so smooth and capable that it seems perfect. Some people have already used the new version to drive for several days in a row without having to intervene. Tesla's latest full self-driving, FSD, Beta V12 is reaching users after an extended rollout over the weekend. This update is not just another iteration, it represents a leap in self-driving technology, primarily due to its integration of end-to-end neural networks for vehicle control. At the core of FSD V12 is a shift from traditional programming to neural network-based decision-making. This allows the vehicle to process raw camera footage and vehicle kinematics directly into driving actions, mimicking human cognitive processes more closely than ever before. Ashoka Luswamy, director of autopilot software at Tesla, highlighted the monumental effort to surpass the capabilities of the previous V11, setting a new standard for FSD's future. The introduction of neural network-based decision-making in FSD V12 was a groundbreaking move. The system's ability to process raw camera footage and vehicle dynamics directly into driving maneuvers showcased an impressive leap towards achieving a level of decision-making and responsiveness akin to human drivers. This technological advancement was met with rave reviews from both industry experts and everyday users, underscoring the potential of Tesla's approach to redefine the future of driving. Michael Dell's endorsement of FSD V12 as super impressive and akin to human-like driving further solidified the update's significance, elevating expectations for what Tesla's technology could achieve next. FSD version 12.3 as resembling human-like driving capabilities highlights Tesla's progress in refining its autonomous driving features. Elon Musk's response, teasing the release of FSD version 12.4, suggests that Tesla is on the brink of further breakthroughs. Musk's mention of overcoming AI training compute constraints indicates that Tesla's pace of development is set to accelerate, promising even more sophisticated autonomous driving capabilities in the near future. This ongoing journey, punctuated by Musk's ambitious update timeline, continues to captivate and engage the global automotive community, setting the stage for further advancements in Tesla's quest to perfect autonomous driving.